Fan's working. Yep, spinning. I opened up my PC and I noticed that fan in the back. It's not working. It should just be spinning, like how this fan is and that fan is. So I don't know if it's a fan that burnt out or maybe the wire is all messed up. And I think I have a spare fan. So let me check out to see if that wire is messed up. We'll grab that spare fan. I have a spare fan, but it's too big for putting it back there. I think it's a case fan, but I'm going to use this big fan to check if the wire is messed up. So let me go hook it up. Alright, so you can see the big fan is spinning around, so I know the wire is fine. I'm guessing that fan burnt out. I'm gonna buy a new one. I got a new fan. It's a 140 millimeters by 25 millimeters. The old fan, same size. I checked the back of the fan and it was labeled 140 millimeters, so I knew this one would fit. Let's see if the hooking up to the wires also make it run. Okay, look at that. It's spinning and it lights up. I didn't know it lights up, so that's a plus. So I'm going to install a fan facing this way to push air out since everything is pushing air that way. You can see there's screws right here on the case. Unscrew it and then just replace it. Let me get my screwdriver. Unscrew it. There we go. So I remove the bad fan. Put it aside. And let's install a new fan. I probably should turn off my PC when I install it, but I'm lazy. I'm going to install while everything is on. You should not do this. This is a bad idea. Make sure it lines up to the holes. And you just screw it in. Gotta go through the top. Shit, I can't even see it. There's a hole back there I gotta get through. I don't want to hit any of these components too badly. So I don't know if I'll... There we go. Went through. Did it go through? Yeah, went through. You see, I fed the wire through a hole on top. Through here. I'm gonna tie the wires together and then hook it up. So zip tie. I'm gonna tie the wires to the cable here. Keep it a little neat. Let me hook it up first before totally tying it off, because I want to make sure the fan works. Fan's working. Yep, spinning. That fan was about 13 bucks. And that's it. That's how you change the fan. On the old fan, read the back of the old fan so you can know which kind of fan to get. I tried looking for the model number, but they don't make these fans anymore. So that's why I got the other one. I think that's it. Alright, talk to you next time.